Okay, so this is an area and perimeter question from a Rosayev school. Now, figure below is made up of 4 small squares. Linda had painted part of one square white. As you can see here, part of this is white, and the rest of the figure in grey. Okay, so this square here, part of it only is white, and the rest of it grey everywhere else. Okay. The perimeter of the white part is 38 centimeter, and the perimeter of the grey part is 72 cm. Find the area of one small square. Now, pretty interesting question because we are not given the length of the square. Neither are we given this length of this specific jagged parts here. But what we know is this, that the perimeter of the grey part, there is this jagged part for the perimeter of the grey part, plus this length of the squares. Okay, how many length? 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom. Okay, let's count again. So you got the jagged part for the grey part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 length. Right, this will be the perimeter of your grey section. Then for the white part, you also have the same jagged part. Same one, plus 1, just 2 length. Alright, this is the perimeter of the white part. So to do this question, let me explain to you via the model drawing system. So we're going to draw a model for the white part's perimeter, which includes the jagged part, plus another 2 length, right? So again, jagged part plus 2 length. Okay, so we have length. Alright, and then for the grey part. Now for the grey part, we have the same jagged part, right? Same jagged part, but now remember for the grey part, jagged part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 length. Okay, so let's draw a box now with 6 length. L, and then there is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 6 in total. Alright, and then for the white part here at the top, the perimeter is 38 cm. And for the bottom here, the grey part, the perimeter is 72 cm. Okay, so with that, we are able to find the difference between the white and the grey part, which will give you 4 length. Alright, so 4 length of the square, of square. This is 72 minus 38. And that will give you 34 cm. So what is 1 length of the square? Now, this will be 34 cm. Divide this by 4. And you'll get 8.5 cm. For just 1 length of the square. And then question wants you to find the area of this square. This will be 8.5 times 8.5. And that will give you a final answer of 72.25 square cm.